Hello. This is what you have to do to present activities in Edmodo. This is my profile as a teacher, and you have a desktop that is the same really, but maybe a bit different. But the important thing is that here you have a list of tasks. They are called assignments that you have to present. I am going to click here because this is my profile as a student. This is different now. No, this is a different. I am a student now, and here I have the activities I have to present. I have many activities because I am in many classes, but in this case the activities for your class are, for example, speaking revision 1 or speaking revision 2 or writing. Let's think you want to present this. You have to click on it and open it, and once it's open you have to attach, this is attach, a document from your computer. For example, this. Imagine this is your composition or your listening or what you have to do and present. So you load it here, and once it's loaded you have to present. And are you sure to present? Yes, present. And now if you go back to your list of tasks, that disappears. That assignment disappears because you have presented it. So in other words, all the things that you have on the right hand side are things that you haven't presented yet, and you must do it here through these assignments. Okay?